This is Megamaster How To. Ek is Leon Grop. I am Leon Grop. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your gas braai. Here we've got the Crusade Series 4-burner gas braai. But the assembly is going to be exactly the same for all of our gas braais. Now we all know South African men don't read manuals. But in this case, moet nou nie so wees nie. Read the manual. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Susan, kom help gooi. Pro tip, don't pick this up on your own. Side note, couple of different screws in here. So check your manual to know which one goes where. But it's not rocket science, okay? There are 3 parts in assembling your gas braai. First up, the cart frame. I've already assembled the cart frame halfway. Next, we're going to add the side panels, and we do this by sliding them over these little screws on the inside and tightening. Next, we're going to assemble the doors. We've got a little pin here in the bottom that inserts right at the bottom of the cart frame, and a top one that slides in at the top. Part 2 of assembling your gas braai, the firebox. Please get someone to help you with this. Susan! Remember, brackets on the outside, and your firebox comes assembled inside the box. Let's tighten the nuts. Part 3, some finishing touches. Now we're going to add the side tables, and this specific braai has got a side burner as well. So first off, we put this part of the control panel onto the side table and secure to the gas braai. So to assemble the side burner on this model, we're going to insert the actual burner from the top and then connect it at the bottom. And finally, the knob. The grease tray we're going to simply slide in at the back and insert your grease cup. Maklik. The final finishing touches, inserting your flame tamers, cooking grids, dankie Susan, and side burner wire frame. And there you have it. I must say, I still recommend just inviting a few friends over for a beer and let them do it. Nou ja toe, this was Megamaster How To.